Howdy, partner. So you want to learn how to replace a Polaris backup valve? Well, you're in luck. We're going to show you today. Today, we're going to replace the backup valve on this Polaris 280 pool cleaner. This is part of our pool series. So if you haven't already, go ahead and click that subscribe button bottom right, and you'll see a bunch of videos on how to maintain pools and spas and water and filters and everything else. So basically the other day, I noticed that the 280 here, the Polaris, which is a great cleaner, we've rebuilt it a couple times, it wasn't moving. And then you look, and if you come over here and zoom in, look what happened. The backup valve blew up. Now, if you know what this thing does, it fills with water, and after a certain amount of time, it helps to reset the Polaris so it goes around the pool and goes somewhere else. So a real simple procedure to replace it. So you can buy backup valves in your pool store or online, or you can go ahead and buy an off-brand. This is an off-brand one. So you get that. In the meantime, if you'd like to temporarily rig your system while you're waiting for a part to come in, if you have an extra swivel, you can just go ahead and direct connect the two lines, and that way your pool cleaner can still run. It's going to get stuck in corners. It's not going to back out, but it can at least run while you're waiting on a new part. That's what we had done. So first you want to remove the broken piece, which basically these should just be finger screwed on, these little nuts. If you want to zoom in, you just got to kind of unscrew them. So that one's on the hose. So just go ahead and pull it off. And then you just want to take this one and pull it off as well, and then take off the nut. Now the new one, you want to make sure that you have the jet pointing down so it lifts away. And then you want to put this one on right here. There's an arrow that shows the flow of the water to make sure it shows you where to put it. So you put that on like this. Now this tube is this hose is nice and soft. If it's not soft, you can soak it in hot water for just a few minutes if your tube is a little stiffer or if it's cooler, and that'll help to make it easier to slip on over the fitting. And then you want to slide on over here, and then also screw it on. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is a fixed Polaris 280. Now it'll run around, it'll reset, do a phenomenal job cleaning the pool, and you can just repair for about 30 bucks if you don't buy the on brand. It's not something you need to worry about going to a pool store for unless you just want to. So, bon voyage. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate the likes and comments and subscriptions. If you have any other videos you want to see, please let me know. And just remember, if I can do it, you can too.